Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily mask stickers on CapCut PC. So if you go to stickers here, as you can see, some of the stickers are like this, and I want to use that as a frame. Although you won't get to like overlay it, I do not know like how I should go about that. But anyways, I'm just going to right click and I'm then going to create compound clip. You also have to make this a little bit longer because you can extend the duration when you've created things to compound clip. Then simply just go to mask and select the shape and select reverse, and you're just going to then mask it like so, and you have now masked this sticker. And you can then apply it on top of like a video or something. I don't know, it's up to you. Maybe like this. Okay, that just looks weird, but you can then apply it on top of any video that you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.